Go, go, girls!
So, paano sinusuportahan ng lokal na pamahalaan ang mga programang pampalakasan at kabataan?
Wow, that's a very nice question, no? So, everyone knows, your teachers, the athletes, that Silago is really behind. And we are always the #1 fan of the players of Silago, especially in the athletic meet, no? So we are the only LGU who provided almost everything, from shoes, from down to up, no? So shoes, etc. Ang dami, pira, uniforms, even, anong ibig sabihin nito? Towels, bags. So we always support them, not only in the material things, but also financially. And of course, morally and godly, by praying that they will win, and if they cannot win, they will improve it in the next athletics or competition to come.